This 2024 Forest River Wildwood FSX 167 RBKX is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 21 feet 8 inches in length and features a canyon interior, sleeps 3, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, TV antenna, external shower, self-contained, air conditioning, spare tire kit, smoke detector, microwave, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, Murphy bed, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Forest River Wildwood FSX 167 RBKX is 3,470 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.